Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Cryptomator step by step. If you no longer need Cryptomator or you're planning to reinstall it, it's important to uninstall the application correctly without accidentally deleting your encrypted vaults. So let's get started. First, make sure all of your Cryptomator vaults are locked and close any files that are currently open from an unlocked vault. This helps prevent file corruption and ensures your encrypted data is safely stored before removing the application. Next, remember that uninstalling Cryptomator does not automatically delete your vaults. Yeah, your encrypted vault folders remain on your computer or in your cloud storage unless you manually remove them. If you want to keep your encrypted files, don't delete the vault folders. On Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, find Cryptomator, click it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. If you're using macOS, open the Applications folder, drag Cryptomator to the trash, and then empty the trash if you want to remove the application completely. I mean, your vaults will remain untouched unless you delete them separately. On Linux, uninstall Cryptomator using the same method you used to install it, such as your distribution's package manager, Flatpak, or by deleting the app image file if that's the version you're using. Finally, restart your computer after the uninstall is complete. If you plan to reinstall Cryptomator later, simply install the latest version and use Add Existing Vault to reconnect to your encrypted vaults using your original password. And that's it. You now know how to uninstall Cryptomator safely while keeping your encrypted vaults secure and available for future use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next